Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. We're going to program this Mighty Mule keypad, this wireless keypad. We're gonna program it so it works with the gate opener, and we're also going to reset the master code. Let's first program it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is put in 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries. And if you ever need to reset this because you screwed up the programming, push and hold the reset button for more than 2 seconds and you're going to hear this. Just wait. Now it's been reset to the factory code, which the master code is 1234. We're going to program the Mighty Mule wireless keypad so it knows the proper signal to send. It's going to copy the signal from this wireless remote control that I've already got. I'm going to go into program mode, the preset factory code, program mode, 05 program mode, and then press and release the control here until it beeps. Now it knows the signal to send to cause the gate to open and close. To program a code, we go program mode, the master code again, program mode, 02 program mode, and then the code you want. So now this code does open and close the gate. Let's put in a new master code, which you're going to want to do because you don't want that 1234 to stay put. So it's program mode, master code, which is currently 1234 program mode, 06 program mode, new code, we'll do 9876 program mode, and do it again, 9876 program mode. Now you've got your new master code, which right now is 9876. Okay, let's add a new code. Program 9876, which is your new master code, and then we go into 02 program mode, and we'll do the right down the middle program code, and there it is. So it knows that new program code. So that's it. That's how to get the transmitter to work, change the master code, and add an additional code. And again, if you want to go back and delete, press and hold the reset button, and you'll hear those first 1 beep, and then wait, then 3 beeps, and it'll reset. So that's how to program the Mighty Mule 25 code GTO digital keypad wireless. Consider subscribing. If this was helpful, please click like. Thank you very much.